What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be installing my Srt8 bumper. We got this in. Those are the grills, upper and lower grill. We just got these bumper clips in, but I am missing something. It's this right here. This goes up here to hold the bumper in spot. Don't worry about this. Look, we got a new one. All right, stop playing with me. But it's supposed to hold the bumper in place from sagging or anything. So if you're ordering your bumper, make sure to grab that top. I don't know what they would call it, honestly. I think it's called like a top bumper bracket or something like that. Those bumper brackets, the bumper of course, and the two grills. I don't have the fog lights at the moment, but we'll get those later on. But right now I'm just gonna show you how to install it, tell y'all where everything goes if y'all don't already, and then show y'all what it looks like at the end. So let's get into it. So first we're gonna install the lower grill. So we're gonna get that one in the back end, which if you look at it, it's really just clips. So these clips on the top row, or on the top and bottom, just plug in right here. Be careful though, because you could end up breaking it. But it should be done like this. All right, so the bumper lower bottom grill should look like that. Make sure you get each one of these tabs in the correct spot. Shouldn't be, it's not too hard. Just make sure you push down firmly, but make sure it's in these or you will end up breaking them. All right, and then for, looks like what, the top grill? We're gonna get that top grill in right now. All right, now the upper grill's in. There's a little grass on it. I had to get it, but Hasuni came help. Because shit, I did not know what I was doing to the upper bumper at first. It's okay. But right now, I'm about to throw this on my bumper and then show you how it goes on. It should really just clip in from the top part. Clips in from the top part, I believe. I'll figure it out in a second and let y'all know how I did it. And then this part clips into the engine bay. All right, so if I'm not mistaken, I should have did it right. So what you do is you just slide it in here and you can see the tabs line up with the little indents in each one of them. And this side will go on your engine bay. I'll show you in a second where it goes, or when it's on there. But it should clip into, like, if I'm not mistaken, these holes right here with the clips. All right, so right now we're about to put the bumper on. Line those up with the holes. Get these side ones in, and then show y'all what's the next step to do with it. All right, let's go ahead and get this put on. I'll be with you in a second. All right. So I actually lied. They don't match up with those. They actually match up with this, and the clips go in each one of those. I guess there's only two of them, but if you want, I guess you could drill holes right there. That's maybe if you want. But next step on the agenda is just make sure it lines up with the headlight bumper, I guess, support, and then move the, damn, my fucking fender liner is gone. But move this out the way, and then you should see right here, should be a 10 mil right there. We got two of them. We got these two right there for it. Damn, there goes the clips. And then on this side as well. So I'm about to go ahead and do that right now and make sure they clip in. Right now it's not sitting too good, but I'm gonna make sure the body shop fixes that whenever I take it to them. It might just be the way the bumper is probably just not fully cured yet, because you can see right here. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this put on and I'll be back with you. Alrighty, so we got the two top clips in. So that's still not sitting right, but it's cool though. We're gonna see if the sun cures it. If not, when I take it to the shop, the body shop, they should take a look at it, make sure everything's right. But I mean, it's not sitting good, so it's not bad. We'll make sure everything gets situated and straight. Let's see how it looks like on there. Okay, now I ain't gonna lie, that Fenton not too bad. The hood is obviously banged up and shit, but we'll get that shit fixed. Damn, that bitch looking good though. Next thing we're gonna need fog light covers, fog lights, both sides, fender liners, cause your boy is tucking. Not so much actually, but we need fender liners cause this side didn't come with one, and the other side's actually getting eaten up as we speak. But hey, another step closer, and should have the title done. We should have the title back soon. I heard some things. So, you know, we might be getting it back pretty soon. And we should be able to have it on the road. And then we'll take it to the shop right after. I mean, currently right now, look at this. We just got this back from the shop. It was bad. I mean, we still got this and that, but that's just things that can get buffed and polished. But look at that back, though. You should have seen how bad it was before. Hey, this came out spotless. That being said, we're just gonna go ahead and end this right here. This was just to show you how to put on a bumper if y'all need to. I am gonna make a longer video of when I actually get it fully built and, like, you know, rebuild like paint, fender liners, fog lights, and everything done. It's gonna be a pretty long video, maybe not, but once we get everything done, it'll be in a video, even with the hood coming in and then everything getting painted. So for now, this is all gonna be for today. See y'all till next time.